Guys, my brother melted my popsicle and he's still. This is what this popsicle. It was supposed to be a watermelon and he mushed it. And this is mine. This is mine. It's all crushed. It's like a yellow ice cream.
Baluta. Kaya yan eh, kaya yan. Ay, Kang Marcen. Kang Marcen talagang sili, talagang tatay ng Kang Marcen.
So good.
Kunin may banya ka na eh, alina pwede. Di banya ka sigla ng asbok ng anak mo. Kasigla. Kasigla yan kasi tapos sabi-sabi, alang kurtina, wait, may banya.